Evernote Review Usage Experience. In today's video, we're diving into Evernote, a popular note-taking and organization tool. Links to Evernote and related resources are available in the description below. Evernote has been a staple in the world of note-taking, task management, and organization for years. It's known for its simple yet powerful interface, allowing users to capture ideas, organize information, and collaborate seamlessly across devices. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone just trying to stay organized, Evernote is designed to make it easier to stay on top of your notes and tasks. One of the standout features of Evernote is its multi-platform synchronization. You can access your notes from any device, whether that's your smartphone, tablet, or computer. The real-time syncing ensures you always have the latest version of your notes, no matter where you are. Evernote supports various types of content, including text, images, audio recordings, and scanned documents. This flexibility allows you to capture your ideas in the way that works best for you. Evernote's organization features are another big plus. You can create notebooks to organize notes by category, and within each notebook, you can create notes with different formats, from checklists to text and images. The tagging system is highly customizable, making it easier to find specific notes later on. You can also use search to quickly locate information across your entire Evernote library. The powerful search capabilities, including handwritten text recognition and PDF search, are especially useful if you have a lot of content. For those working in teams, Evernote's collaboration tools come in handy. You can share notes and notebooks with others, making it easy to collaborate on projects, whether you're brainstorming ideas, sharing research, or managing to-do lists. Evernote integrates with popular apps like Google Drive and Microsoft Teams, which help streamline workflows for professionals. One downside is that Evernote's free plan can feel limiting, especially for users who want to sync notes across multiple devices. To unlock the full potential of Evernote, including offline access and advanced features like short PDF annotation, you'll need to upgrade to one of the paid plans. The pricing structure can be a bit pricey for users who just need basic note-taking features, so it's worth considering if the premium features are essential for your workflow. Overall, Evernote is a powerful tool for organization and note-taking. Whether you're a student managing lecture notes, a professional keeping track of meetings, or anyone who wants to capture ideas and stay organized, Evernote provides an intuitive and versatile platform. If you're willing to invest in the premium features, you'll unlock a whole new level of productivity. Check out the links in the description to explore Evernote further.